this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a ta-da video that I am making today. Finally finished the cardigan. Let me move you to another beautiful spot. I'm in my garden. The yarn that I use on this particular cardigan is the Caron. And unfortunately, they no longer sell this yarn. Again, it's top down. Here's my beautiful lay log. This is the first time it bloomed like this. It's a 24-year-old, but finally it bloomed. Let me get this closer for further to show you. I used up 3 cakes for this, and I added this eyelash, this furry yarn that I bought, and I go over this on my live streams when I was knitting them. I did wash it. Yeah, it has wool in it. It's a plus size. And it's top down. It has a crew neck. The neck is pretty close, and I put buttonholes to button it up. There's a total of 10 buttons. I do have tutorials on my channel, so you can check it out. I did do increases if you look at it. It gets a little bit wider because being a plus size, we need that room. And I used the double knit to knit the, sorry about that, it was the bus. I did the button band area, I did double knit to get this beautiful look. And I did the double knit on the edge as well. Okay. But I just did the regular rib stitch, knit one purl on the hem of the sleeve. Let me move it back there because it's better for you to see the height of the. It's just super soft. This took me forever for some reason. I have no clue why that happened, but it did happen. Let me just lower my tripod. It's pretty sunny and it's really windy. It's been raining for several days, and the weather is just gorgeous now. I love it. Okay, and it's really soft. Okay, here we go. So you can see it. The length. Yeah, it's pretty long. It's really soft, so I just wanted to make a ta-da video to show you how it looks like. And this is the back. It's seamless. There's no sewing involved, as you can see, and I just love it how it turned out. Yeah, I'll go over it again. If you have any questions, I'm going to do my live stream tomorrow, so I will go over it if you have any questions about the cardigan. I'm so happy. I'm thrilled that it's finished because it's pretty long. I was thinking of using the 4th cake, but I said nah, that would be too much. Yeah, too long for me to knit it. But I think it turned out pretty good. And the buttons I used are from AliExpress. I bought years ago, and they're wood. They're pretty big, and I used the yarn to sew it up. If you want me to do a short tutorial on how to sew up with yarn, I use the yarn itself to sew it up. Yeah, leave it on the comments so I will do a tutorial. Yeah, I did bind off using the needle technique, and I do have a tutorial for that. And other than that, it's fantastic. Turned out very nice. So I'm going to post this on my Etsy shop. It is for sale. Here we go. So I hope you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post any video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. Happy knitting. Bye-bye. Here's my laylock, 24 years old. Can you believe it? Because my husband, he kept on cutting the branches. It never grew. And I said, don't do it anymore, leave it. So for 2 years, he hasn't been touching it. And finally, it bloomed. I just love it, love it. And I'll show you my peonies as well. Here they are. Aren't they beautiful? Unfortunately, I was busy with custom orders, so I never had a chance to cut them and put them in my vase, which I usually do every year. This year I did not have time, and they don't last long. These beautiful, just beautiful, but yeah, they fall apart. Just leave it the way they look, don't they? Well, you guys take care.